Hi, in this video a quick look at, with Payhip products, how to offer a product for free but to suggest that your customer chips in the price of a cup of coffee or something. And the way you do that is go to your product. I've got one set up here. And then in your price, suppose you want us to offer it for free, but when it pops up, suggest that they perhaps pay not nothing but $1 or $2 or £1 or something. Then you just put a 0 and then put the plus sign after it. And when you do that and tab out of that option, come down to advanced options here. So open this up. And then you'll find once you've put that plus sign in, you get a new option here, which is enable pay what you want suggested price. So when it pops up, you can suggest that they pay £1. Okay? So you can put that to 3 or 2 or whatever you think is appropriate. Save your changes. So when you look at that product now, when you're looking at that product within Payhip, then it'll say pay what you want, but you could change that to 0 if you're feeling very mean, and say, and then when you go buy now, you'll immediately just go to the download. There's no need to go there's no payment, obviously gateway, because there's no payment due. And then if you look at that product running in a website, so if we go over here, when I download the same product off this website, and it's an add to cart option I've got, so I go download now, cart pops up. Now it pops up at 0, but when you go to checkout, you get this option to pay what you want. And it pre-fills it with that 1 that we put in, which is quite handy. So someone, if they're feeling really mean or poor or whatever, has got to literally go in and take that back down to 0. And it says here minimum 0. And then they can continue and they'll get the same download option as if they were buying it in the Payhip store. But it's quite a neat little way to try and suggest that somebody drops in a couple of dollars for a product that you're offering for free. So if they're feeling flush, you might get a few dollars. Anyway, hope that helps. Cheers for now.